Hello from Seoul? Let me guess, you're craving some Korean barbecue. Yes, we always are. But after work or school, you're exhausted and you don't want to spend lots of time in the kitchen, right? Same here. But don't worry about it. As always, with me, you will have one of the best Korean barbecue in under 15 minutes. Alright, are you guys ready? Let's get started. Today, we're gonna be making a Korean barbecue rice bowl with this gochujang, the iconic Korean condiment. When you're in the mood for Korean barbecue, but you're super tired and hungry, this is gonna be your perfect weeknight dinner. It's quick and easy and amazingly delicious, so you're gonna love it so much. For this, you will need pork, green onion, garlic, and a bowl of hot rice. That's it, but no Korean barbecue is complete without lettuce wraps, so get yourself some lettuce. However, if I just serve as it is, it doesn't seem so cool, right? So to make my hungry bird happy, let's make a super simple Korean style salad. What? You don't have lettuce in your fridge? Then try with our love green onion. Maybe that could be more delicious. Alright, let's start off with the vegetables. First, green onion. Slice some green onions and separate the whites and greens. And as always, we're gonna use the white parts to flavor the oil and the green parts for garnish. So be super generous with this. Next, garlic. Smash 3 cloves of garlic and finely chop it. You wanna make it much faster? Then you can use this kind of pre-minced garlic. No problem at all. This time, let's prep our protein. Get yourself 600 grams of pork belly and cut it into nice bite-sized pieces. But if there's any other protein that you wanna use, bring them all. Beef, chicken, or even tofu, everything will go great with our beautiful gochujang sauce. Now let's move on to the sauce. In a small container, add 2 tablespoons of gochujang, Korean chili paste, 1 tablespoon of Korean chili pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, 2 tablespoons of mirin, some black pepper, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and give it a good mix. That's it. So simple, right? But if you wanna make it more delicious, like restaurant quality, then bring that bad boy over here. Simply Korean. Oops, I was gonna say MSG, but that just slipped out of my mouth. But since that's a true story, let's talk about that a little bit. With this one book, you can cook more than 100 Korean dishes like a pro. I mean, you can bring Korean restaurant to your dining room. So don't forget to pre-order my book today. The link is in the description. Anyways, add a pinch of MSG and give it a good mix, but it's totally optional. Normally, just like bulgogi, this bad boy has to be marinated. But if we cook that way, it can burn quite easily because of the gochujang. So we're gonna sear the pork first to get it nice and crispy and stir fried with the sauce. Yes, this cooking method will not only give you the best result, but it will also cut down your cooking time. You're welcome. Alright, let's get cooking. In a pan, add half a tablespoon of oil and heat it over high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, add the pork belly and cook for about 4 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. What? You have a tiny frying pan, so you're not so sure you can cook it all at once? That's okay. You can do this in 2 batches. Maybe that could be more delicious. During this time, if you wipe off the oil, that'll be the biggest mistake in your life. Because when the fat meets our lovely garlic and green onion, they create an amazing flavor. Trust me, it's gonna give a ton of flavor that you're looking for. After 30 seconds to 1 minute, reduce the heat to medium-low and pour the sauce we made. Now all we gotta do is stir it all together for about 1 to 2 minutes. That's it. So simple, right? I'm pretty sure even Claire can make this in under 15 minutes, which means you can do it faster. So please give this a try. You won't regret it. When the pork is beautifully coated, add 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil and give it a little toss. And there you have it, our Korean barbecue pork. Now it's time to make our salad. I'm using lettuce today, but as I said earlier, you could also use green onion, napa cabbage, salad mix, or something like that. So as always, just use what you have. That's the best. Take some cleaned lettuce and tear all the leaves into bite-sized pieces. Of course, you could use a knife, but if you tear them with a cool face, like this, people will think you're a Korean master chef. Yeah, that's the authentic vibe. So try this little tip in front of your date. Trust me, they'll be like, why is he so handsome today? Yeah, that will happen to you. If not, sorry about that. I'm not responsible. Next, thinly slice a quarter of an onion. Again, you could use it as it is, but if it's a big date night or something like that, that could be a disaster. So to get rid of that strong taste, make sure you soak it in some cold water for about 5 minutes. Otherwise, both of you will suffer. You know what I mean. This time, let's make a dressing. In a small container, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of vinegar, half a tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of Korean chili pepper flakes, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, and give it a good mix. Here, some of you might say, no way, I don't like fish sauce, that's too fishy. Don't worry about it. If you use it properly, it won't be fishy, but full of umami. So just follow my lead. Alright, put all the veggies into a mixing bowl, add in your salad dressing, and just give it a nice little toss. For information, if you make this ahead, the lettuce will be completely wilted down, and they'll be ugly. So please make sure you mix it right before serving. Alright, everything is ready to go. Let's get some rice into a bowl, and on top of that, add a generous amount of our pork and some salad. That's it. But if you wanna make it more beautiful, or you secretly bought a PlayStation but your wife has no idea, then make sure you top it off with a soft boiled egg. Trust me, this will save your life. Last but not least, let's finish it off with some green onions and toasted sesame seeds. How does it look? It looks absolutely amazing, right? Alright, let's go to our taste tester.
Claire?
Wow, looks amazing. So many good things here. I can't wait to try. 통통하니 아주 맛있겠구만. Ready? 맛있다 이 소스. 한 번 더. 역시 고추장은 우리를 배반하지 않아. 너무 맛있어. 이 고추장의 강한 풍미가 싹 느껴지고, 그런데 좀 짭조름하면서 달콤한 게 서로가 다 어울려서 너무 맛있어. 입맛을 제대로 샥 끌어주는 느낌이다. 맛있는데? Come to think of it, I should have started with salad to stimulate my appetite. But that's okay. We can do it now. 먹어봅시다. 오, 향 너무 좋다. 새콤새콤한 향이 올라와. 딱 이거 먹는 순간 코리안 바베큐의 느낌이 제대로 짠 나네. 고깃집에서 먹는 딱 그 맛이야. Actually, to fully enjoy Korean barbecue, we gotta try the lettuce wrap. But don't worry about it. We can try with those things. 양파도 살짝 올려주고, 고추도 한번 쫙 올려주고, 쌈처럼. And wrap it up like this. Cheers! 역시 이렇게 같이 먹어야 맛이 살아. 그래도 명색이 라이스볼이니까 같이 밥이랑 모든 걸 다 먹어보겠습니다. 크게 밥도 많이 넣고, 레터스를 넣고, 짜자잔. And then on top of that, chili pepper. Cheers! 너무 맛있어. 내가 맨날 말하잖아. 쌈은 무조건 밥이 들어가야 된다고. 너무 맛있다. 아, 먹고 싶지? But it's mine. 너무 맛있어. 여기 계란까지 넣는 거 이거 반칙 아니야? 내가 오늘 마지막으로 이거 bring some egg 했었으면 딱 됐는데, 나의 불평을 입막음하기 위한 장치인 것 같구만. 아, 오늘 컴플레인 할 거 없겠는걸? 나는 여기다가 크리스피한 그런 계란 후라이가 들어가는 게 더 어울릴 것 같긴 하다. Bring some fried egg! 먹었잖아, 사라졌잖아, 반숙이.
Today, I showed you how to make a super simple rice bowl with Korean barbecue. How was it? It's not that difficult, right? On a regular weeknight, if you're craving some Korean barbecue but you're super tired, just invest 15 minutes on this. If you do, you'll meet one of the simplest but the most delicious Korean barbecue that you ever had. I guarantee it. Alright, this is it for today. Don't forget to pre-order my book, and I'll see you next time.